guys! So today I have another subscription box unboxing video. I think I found my new filming location. I filmed here in my last video. I'm just sitting on the floor on a beanbag, but I actually quite like it. So this might be my new filming location. Not that that matters too much. So straight into the subscription box unboxing video. So this is the Roccabox and this is the, what month are we in now? The April box. So this is £10 and postage is around £3, maybe £3.95. I'm really quite excited to try this box out because I think when I tried Birchbox and Glossybox, the main like subscription box contenders, you tend to see a lot of people posting what's in the box on their Instagram and you see it on Facebook, so you kind of know what sort of products you're going to be getting. However, with Roccabox, I'm kind of flying blind as to what's in this box because I haven't really seen people posting what sort of things you get in the box, so really excited to see what's in here. So it was packaged in this box and then a nice pink sleeve with my address on the back, which I think is quite nice because pink's my favourite colour, so bonus points for that Roccabox. So box just opens up. It's nothing too special in terms of packaging. With Glossybox and Birchbox and Look Fantastic as well, my previous boxes that I've unboxed, they've been quite substantial cardboard boxes that you can reuse, but this is just like quite a simple packaging box, which I actually kind of like because I feel like you can throw this away or recycle it obviously and not feel bad about it. However, I've kept my boxes from my last subscriptions from Birchbox, Glossybox and Look Fantastic because I kind of feel bad recycling them. I think I'm going to do something with them, whereas this I can just chuck it away and not feel too bad about it. So on the front it just says, "Don't forget you're beautiful," which is really nice, thanks Roccabox. And then it says on the side, "Who runs the world, girls?" And then "Let your light shine," which is just really cute packaging. And then inside it just says, "Sprinkle kindness like confetti." So really positive. And then we've just got the flyer here and then the products on the back with, I'll look at it really quickly. I think there's prices on the back of this. I don't want to look at the products, but it looks like there's prices on the back of the card. So pink confetti packaging inside, again plus points because it's my favourite colour. So I'm not going to open it too much, I'm just going to pick out the first thing. So this is by Annabelle Minerals and what's this? A mineral blush. So this is a mineral blush in Romantic. I'll tap it down in case it's not got a seal. Oh okay, that's brilliant. It's got a little seal. I think there's like a little tab that you have to pull and like snap the plastic to get inside. So I don't think I'll be opening that up on camera because I am literally going to pour it everywhere. But by the looks of it, it's just a really light pink, blush pink blush and it's mineral based. So interested to try that. I don't have any like mineral powder sort of blushes or bronzers. So it'd be interesting to try that and to see what the formula's like. I'll just look at the price of this. So this is a full size product and this is £12.52, really random price, and it has SPF 15. So I'm interested to try that out and it's full size, which is really good. Now the next thing is a Toni & Guy product, which is obviously something I'm familiar with. So this is an Illuminating hair perfume. Amplify your look with our iconic Toni & Guy fragrance, a unique blend of zesty and citrus florals with added shine. Okay, so this is just a shine spray, but it is fruity flavoured. It just smells like a fruit perfume, to be honest. And it's supposed to make your hair look shiny. My hair looks shiny anyway because it's really oily, so probably don't need the extra shine, but that smells really nice, to be honest. Yeah, I like that. Happy with that. And this is a full-size product and it's £7.99. So yeah, I think that's a really good all-rounder. Something that I think anyone can enjoy, so long as you like fruity fragrances, which is literally my favourite smells, is like sweet fruity smells. So happy with that. The next thing I've got, I actually had in a Birchbox, but I'm not mad about it because I really enjoyed using it. It was a brilliant product. So this is the Balance Me Flash Cleanse Micellar Water. So this is like a toner sort of cleansing water that you use when you've removed your makeup. You just put on a cotton pad and just wipe over the face. I really enjoyed using this, to be honest, and it was one of the things that I've had in one of my subscription boxes that I would go out and purchase a full size. I do have the Body Shop one that I'm using at the moment, which is why I haven't purchased a full size of it, but really happy that I've got this. And this is obviously a sample size, but the full price of the full size is £16. So yeah, really happy I've got that, to be honest. It's really good. The next product in the box is a Jade sheet mask. So this is what it looks like, and it's a Korean face mask. And it says a new generation Korean face mask combines skincare with gemstone therapy, aromatherapy and colour therapy to achieve multi-sensory results. So it's a green coloured mask. It contains jade stone powder and bergamot essential oil. Bergamot, is that how you say it? So it's a soothing face mask. It's green, so it's supposed to be like sensory. I'm assuming it smells really nice. It's vegan, mineral oil free, sulfate free, animal cruelty free. As I say in all my subscription box unboxings, I do really enjoy getting face masks because it's not something I'd go out and buy myself, whereas if you receive it in a subscription box, you're going to use it. It's going to be a nice treat. So I'm happy I've got that. And this is a full size and it's £5.99. And then the last thing is, what's this? So these are nail stickers and they're supposed to be long lasting. They're supposed to last for 14 days. I'm not sure if that's a super true claim because I can't get normal nail polish to last a day. But really interesting to see how these perform. So these are full size and they are £9.95 for a full size, so that's a really good deal. But I'm really excited to try these because I've very recently started using gel nail polish with a UV nail lamp, and it's really helped me grow my nails. So I've always had really disgustingly short, bitter nails, but I've managed to grow them out a little bit and I'm really happy with it. So I'm like experimenting a little bit more with nail polish and nail vinyls and things like that. So something like this is perfect for me to try because obviously it makes your nails look really cute. And I think what I could probably do with these to make them last a little bit longer is apply them to my nails and then possibly use a clear gel top coat over the top to seal them in, which I might do for them to last a little bit longer. But they look really cute. They're really easy colours, nice nudes and oxblood and a little bit of gold. So definitely my colour palette as well, which is perfect. So that was another successful subscription box unboxing. Really happy with everything that I've got in the Roccabox subscription. I'm not sure what subscription box I'm going to be doing next month, but if anyone has any suggestions then let me know and I'll certainly look into it. I think I might end up going back and repurchasing some of my previous subscription boxes from previous subscription services. So for example, Glossy box, I might end up purchasing another one of those, maybe another Roccabox in the future. So if you're interested in seeing a couple more boxes from these subscription services, then let me know and I can do that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and click the notification bell so you can see when I next post a video. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one.